Welcome back, and we're moving to the second last topic, and we're almost winding up. So we're here, title block configuration and general element drawing creation. So let's first of all create a drawings. Then inside the configuration of title block comes automatically. We'll handle that because on the last topic also we had handled some basics of title blocks. Title blocks not really that hectic. If you're good in AutoCAD, you can also use your AutoCAD title block and bring it in the title structure and apply it. Now, let me come to title structures environment. I'll come to create GA drawing. So I'm going to pick this drawing. I'm going to pick on this 3D view and I'm going straight create drawing. So drawing created successfully. I can always go ahead and close that. So I'll switch to my document manager and give it some time to open that drawing. So something has been created, but until I go to GA drawings. So under GA drawings, I look for the latest thing here. This is the latest 12 2026. So I just double click on it. So once I've double clicked on it, I'll give some time to open it. And almost there, you can see the rendering of objects, so many objects, 23,214, quite a number. So there we are, and you can just close this. But the presentation wise, you have some shadings which are not okay. So to do this, just double click inside and come to view properties. And this is not what you want to see. If you come to parts and come to fields, appearance, come to fields. So you see the frames is shaded somehow gray. So if you take a look here, you can see we have these in place. The metallic part is somehow grayed off. So this will be a big issue when we try to copy, and it will look more presentable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this fill and click on this drop down arrow and pick none. So they want to pick on none, click modify. It will change to wireframe. It will change to wireframe. I don't know whether you've noticed something. Bolts are not there. Bolts are not here. So what I'm going to do, once again, I'm going to come to view here, come to view, come to bolts, parts, and hidden, come to outline. Let's try exacts and apply. Apply and give it an OK. So we have a 3D in place. We have a 3D in place. So this is what we have now. So you can always change this to your preference. Pick it standard, and once you've picked standard, right there, click apply. Give some time to process that information. Apply and give it an OK. So our title block looks small, though, and I'll come to layout here and probably change this to that GA, and specifically I need that. So I'll click load. I'll select this GA and pick A1, click modify, give it an OK, and just give it some time to process that information. I'm having some shocking issues, some too much So you can see we have everything labeled here. So if we can label everything, and everything is here, all parts of this model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get just the size of my paper, and make it slightly bigger so that we can fit in this model inside. It's kind of big enough. We can change the scale to 15 and click modify. In modify, when we apply that, so it's closer to fitting in. Double click once again and change that to 50. I mean to 20, and give it some time to process that information, and we are there, and we are okay, and still not, and still not accepting our request. 50 or 25. Just give it some time. It will respond. Once again, and just give it 100. This will squeeze it much more. And apply. If it's not responding, and I think something is just out of the way, so if I press Control A, I think it should come back. Let me select this and drag that aside. Because probably this is what is not adding up. Let me come here and HCA standard and click modify. Apply, give it an OK. That is a GS standard. So you can always drag this and fit it inside. Layout. This shouldn't be an issue. An issue is probably the scale. Scale is not responding, and it should respond. And to make the drawing slightly smaller so that it can fit inside the title block. And it should not be an issue. I think you can do this by yourself, and this should not be for the teacher. You can try this by yourself and do. You can the basic part remaining just to make this smaller. Now, this is a default. This is a default title block. So it's always advisable you can come here and right click and come to open in layout editor. So that will open layout editor. And once that has been opened, let me just give it some time, and this will be opened. So once it has been opened, we have options. We can add tables. So this is where you get your title blocks fixed. And you can pick from here. So I have a title block here. Probably let me just pick one here. Um, Probably not the best. So if you this way I'll get all my title block. So let me scroll down and maybe pick one. I don't see the best here. Only just close that. So that is how you access a title block. So you delete this one because you don't need that. We don't need this one. You don't need that one. So probably we need something. We need something. We need something. We need something. Remember, if you put your title block, this is where you will be able to get it. if you've prepared your title block and you import it through from AutoCAD, this is where you'll get it. So I'm trying to pick one. Let me just pick one there, and I want to place it right there. So let me just give it some time to process that information. Let's see whether we'll have a title block there. So it's none, 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 none. It seems you didn't prepare one, but let me just try, pick that and place another place, place it there. So it's just a title block, a frame without anything. So it's not much and it's very easy. And this is the only way you can get your title block. You can see we have everything in place and title block, and you can just close that. So if you import a title block from AutoCAD, this is the best way to access it. Delete the previous one, then import the current one and snap right at the corner there. That's all, and you're good to go. That's all, and you're good to go. Once you've done everything, you're good to soldier on. You're good to move forward. You're good to go. Let's try. Let me just pick GA there and GA and not much. I'll close editor. Do we need to save? I don't need to save. Just discard the changes so that we'll just retain the previous presentation. So we'll just have this one in place. So that's how you create a title block. And to access your title block, you see, I'll repeat, you just select this, right click and come to open layout. So if you click open layout right there, if you had imported your title block, you will access it from here, from tables, and it will be among these lists. So you just pull it and delete this one, and you're good to go. Perfect. 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 Hope you've gotten something. And let me save that, and I'll close this one now. I'll close this one, please. Allow me to close that one. Now the lesson the second last lesson has just ended. Let's meet then on the final one.